just expanding my playground. We're gonna install Linux on this computer back here. See, this computer is very old. It's sitting here, right, collecting dust. We are going to go ahead and get into the BIOS and then set the boot priority so that it can boot on the USB, and then we'll install Linux. And we're gonna SSH enter it so that we can use this as a playground from our lab. Okay. So Momo, you see, we head over to the website, the Fedora, what is it? FedoraProject.org, right? So we need the ISO image.
Fedora 43.
Fedora 43. Okay, and then we're gonna flash it. We're about 42%. It looks like it's taking its time. We got 2 minutes left. We'll be right back. Now it's making sure that the flashing is valid. I guess it says validation. So here, that's when it's giving you the option of for the dual boot you will pick. And family controller, it's this one here. Look at Dusty. I call her Dusty now. Yes, I could also call her Feifei, Fedora, Feifei. Gotta expand your playground, man. Of course, makes sense. Everything belongs to root. All right. No system. Let's SSH into the Ubuntu, and this will have htop. Also,